The Department of Transportation is dismissing 5 Land Transportation Office personnel for using excessive force in arresting a farmer in Panglao, Bohol. In a press conference on Monday, March 3, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon explains that the decision was made after consultations with LTO officials and a review of information gathered during their investigation. However, Dizon does not disclose the identities of the dismissed LTO personnel. Dizon emphasizes that regardless of claims that the farmer was intoxicated and riding an unregistered motorcycle, the excessive force used by the law enforcers was unjustifiable.
Kahit na po totoo yun na nakainom siya, kahit na po totoo na may hawak siyang patalim na I was informed, yun naman po talaga ay hawak-hawak nilang madalas dahil siya nga po ay isang magsasaka, no? At ginagamit yun kapag siya ay nagtatrabaho sa kanyang sakahan. Kahit na po kung lumabas sa ating investigasyon na talagang siya nakasakay sa isang kolorong na motorsiklo, kahit na po lahat yun, wala pong mag-justify sa nakita nating dahas na ipinakita ng ating mga law enforcers. Kaya po, yun po ang basehan ng aming desisyon.
A viral video of the incident captures LTO personnel apprehending a farmer identified as 57-year-old Erifredo Velasco for carrying a knife. Velasco can be heard screaming he's only a farmer. An enforcer also pinned down Velasco to his motorcycle while threatening him with a knife. According to Dizon, Velasco is currently hospitalized and is with his family. With this, Dizon emphasizes that such behavior from government personnel is unacceptable.
Dapat ang poder, ang otoridad, ginagamit po natin para po protektahan sila at paginhawain ang kanilang pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Hindi po para gipitin sila. Hindi ko po ginagawa. No? Marami po tayong mga enforcer dyan na maayos, matitino, at gusto lamang magserbisyo sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Pero meron din po, kamukha nung nakita natin sa Panglao, na medyo sobra naman po. No? Kahit na po nag-violate, kahit na po may ginawang mali, it is incumbent on law enforcers especially to always exercise maximum tolerance.
The DOTR chief is also calling for a review of current regulations to prevent similar incidents in the future.